Hey, what's up? It's Reed with Smart Home Solver, and today we're going to be testing out the Echo Dot 3rd generation, which just came out recently, and it has an updated speaker, it has fewer microphones. We're going to be comparing it with the previous 2nd generation Dot and the Google Home Mini. We're going to be testing out the speaker as well as the microphones as you're listening to music. At first glance, the Echo Dot 3rd Gen looks like a ripoff of the Google Home Mini with its fabric speaker cover and no logo. But didn't the Google Home Mini rip off the Echo Dot in the first place? So who's ripping off who? Either way, the 3rd generation Dot is much better looking than the 2nd gen. Let's jump right into the testing and we'll cover more details of the new Dot right after. And if you want to see more, check out the link right here, which will go to the article. I normally mute out the trigger words for Alexa and Google Assistant, but this video I changed the trigger word for the Echo Dot devices because I'm going to be using the trigger word a lot for the testing. So if you do have a device with one of these trigger words, I suggest muting your device. Okay, let's play some music with max volume. The sound on the new Dot is way better than the 2nd generation, and the Google Home Mini is right there with it. The Echo Dot 3rd Gen is just slightly better, it's just a little louder, and the bass is a little stronger as well. And for fun, here is a speaker on a Galaxy S8 compared with the Dot previous generation. And no surprise, they sound about the same. And a new feature for both the 3rd and 2nd gen Dots is an equalizer. You can also do this on the Google Home Mini. Another new feature that you can do with the speaker is pair up the new Dot with another 3rd generation Dot and have it right and left stereo speakers and pair it up with an Echo sub. But for me personally, if I want louder music, I'm just going to pair up the Echo Dot with a Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar. And here's some side-by-side of the assistant speaking at volume 8.
Right now, it's 66 degrees.
Right now in Mesa, it's 71 and partly cloudy.
Right now, it's 66 degrees.
Now let's test out the microphones on these devices at max volume. Computer. 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 Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Amazon. Amazon. And sorry for the shouting, the Google Home Mini wasn't really hearing me, so I apologize for shouting into your ear. Here's some comparisons of the microphones on the devices without music. Computer. Computer. Amazon. 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 Hey Google. Hey Google. So as you can see, from a distance, the 3rd gen Dot can hear you much better than the 2nd gen Dot or the Google Home Mini. So let's take a look at the details of the new Echo Dot. And it's much heavier and it feels a lot more premium than the previous generation. It's like twice the weight, and the speaker is 1.6 inches versus the 2nd gen's 1.1 inch, and the Google Home Mini has a 1.57 inch speaker. The 3rd gen Dot has 4 microphones, the 2nd gen has 7 microphones, and the Google Home Mini has 2 microphones, which is a little surprising. It uses a 15-watt power cable now that isn't micro USB, and it's a little unfortunate that they didn't go with micro USB Type-C. It also has a 3.5mm jack just like the previous generation. It is very grippy on the bottom of the device, and since it's heavier, it doesn't slide around as much as the Echo Dot 2nd gen or the Google Home Mini. It's pretty amazing that the new Echo Dot is still 50 bucks. So is the new Dot worth upgrading? Well, if you don't really listen to music on your existing Dot or you use an external speaker, then I probably wouldn't upgrade. But if that's not the case, then I would buy the new Dot and move your existing Dot to a new spot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more smart home videos, and we'll see you again next time. Next time on Smart Home Solver, Echo Dots talking to each other.
Tell me a joke.
Who is the middle child, has a 1-inch speaker and looks like a hockey puck?